Hello, welcome to the Agritopus Academy YouTube channel. As we have completed the pathology section, now the next section is nematology. In this single lecture, we will complete whole the entomology section. So without wasting time, let's start our lecture. Firstly, some important points are given related to nematology. First is father of nematology, that is H.C. Besten. Second is father of American and modern entomology is N.A. Cobb. Next point is the abnormally increasing number of cell is known as hyperplasia. An abnormally increase in size of the cell of a tissue is known as hypertrophy. कैंसरस सेल्स में हाइपरप्लासिया वाली कंडीशंस होती हैं जिसके अंदर सेल का नंबर इंक्रीज होता रहता है. Hypertrophy and hyperplasia are formed at the feeding site of Meloidigyne. Meloidigyne is a root knot nematode. It induces hypertrophy and hyperplasia which in result form galled roots. Gall roots का मतलब होता है रूट्स का जो पार्ट है वो स्वेल हो जाता है, वहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ सेल्स इंक्रीज हो जाती है. Now the next point is Mantic disease of rice is caused by rice root nematode. In this disease, hook-like galls are formed at the roots of rice. Now the next point is the entire names of nematode corrected by Philip Igiv in 1936. Next point is the root lesion nematode Pratylenchus coffee is a serious pest of coffee in South India. Next point is Rhodopholis similis. It is a burrowing nematode which cause severe damage to fruit crops, spices, and it is also responsible for spreading decline of citrus in Florida. Next point is citrus nematode cause slow decline and dieback of citrus disease. This citrus nematode belongs to the order Tylenchida. Next point is reniform nematode is as second important nematode of vegetables after the root knot. Next point is the nematode body is basically a bilaterally symmetrical body. Bilaterally symmetrical means when a body plan of animal is divided into two halves, right and left half, then both these halves are nearly equal. Next point is curvature of nematode body is always towards the ventral side except in case of Dorsila which curved in a C shape towards the dorsal side. All the natural opening of nematode are situated in ventral side. Next, a terminology is given amphids. Amphids are paired chemosensory organ that are located near the lip region and play an important role to finding the host cell. And the phasmids are paired chemoreceptor in function and found on lateral side in posterior region of nematode. So the chemosensory organ is present at anterior section and the phasmids chemoreceptor is present at the posterior region. Next is dirid. Dirid are the paired structure opposite to excretory pore and are mechanoreceptors in function. As they are mechanoreceptors, so they are responsible for mechanical texture sensation. Next point is circulatory and respiratory system are absent in nematodes. So they move the substances such as gases and nutrients around their body through the diffusion. Next point is number of molting in nematode generally 4. It means the nematode have 4 larval stages. In plant parasitic nematode, the first mold J3 occurs within the eggs and the stylate bearing second stage larvae that is J2 are released. Next point is the Anguna tritici undergoes quiescent in J2 or the second stage of larvae for up to 28 to 32 years. The dormancy stage is called as quiescent. This Anguna tritici is responsible for the seed gall or ear cockle disease in wheat. In the Ditylenchus dipsy, the fourth larval stage undergoes quiescence. Next point is majority of the plant pathogenic nematode belong to the class Sesarnentia and the order Tylenchida. In Tylenchida, the cuticle is marked with transverse striation which is known as striae. These are deep in Trichonematidae and are called as annuli or the spine on posterior margin and are useful for taxonomic importance. प्लांट पैरासाइटिक नेमेटोड और पैथोजेनिक नेमेटोड्स को हम सैक्रेंटिया में इंक्लूड करते हैं और निमेटोड की सेकेंड क्लास आती है एडिनोफोरी जिसमें हम नॉन पैरासाइटिक निमेटोड्स को इंक्लूड करते हैं. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज ओनली हाइपोडर्मिस or the epidermis is metabolically active unicellular layer. In Tylenchids, the presence of stoma or buccal cavity or stylet, hence Tylenchids named as stomatostylid. It is used for piercing into plant cell. In Tylenchids order, the mouth or stoma is present which is responsible for piercing into plant cells. Next point is this stomatostylid developed from the fusion of walls of buccal cavity. Next point, in some nematodes rectal glands 3 in female and 6 in males are present. They are responsible for the production of gelatinous matrix in which the eggs are laid. It is normally a feature of Dorylemida but it has also been reported in Meloidogyne. This rectal gland secretes the gelatinous matrix which is responsible for egg laying. Now the next point is Aphelenchoids species are associated with strawberry diseases that is known as spring crimp and summer crimp. This spring crimp disease is known as dwarf disease. Now the next point is root rots causes on potato tubers by Ditylenchus destructor and the lesions and necrosis is caused by Pratylenchus and Rhodophollus similis. Next point is the first journal of nematology in the world was Nematologia. This nematode possesses 6 stages in their life cycle. First one is egg and 4 larval stages or the juvenile stage are present and the 6th stage is adult stage. Next point, most of the plant parasitic nematode generally attack on roots and they are responsible for root knot and seed gall. Next point, the esophagus of nematode is consist of 3 parts and it is triradial in symmetry. Next point, the oral aperture is basically surrounded by 6 lips, that is why it is hexaradial in symmetry. Next point, the marigold and the garlic act as an antagonistic to the root knot nematodes. All the genera of virus vector nematodes belongs to the order Dorylemidia. All genera of virus vector nematodes have autoparasitically mode of feeding. These nematodes transmitted only by RNA viruses. By growing of non-host crop in between the 2 susceptible ones, the population level of the nematode is brought down below damaging threshold. It is known as cultural control method. So these are some important points. Now we will start nematology unit. The first unit is nematology. Nematology is the study of free living and plant parasitic nematodes. निमेटोलॉजी साइंस की एक ब्रांच है जिसमें हम फ्री लिविंग निमेटोड्स और प्लांट पैरासाइटिक निमेटोड्स की स्टडी करते हैं. दिस निमेटोड वर्ड इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम 2 Greek words नीमा एंड ओइड्स, where नीमा means thread and oids means like. The thread-like organism is called as nematode. We can also call it as eelworm or the roundworms because they are round in cross section. These nematodes are triploplastic, bilaterally symmetrical, unsegmented and pseudocoelomate invertebrates. Triploplastic means in their body 3 germ layers are present and they are unsegmented means their body is not divided into different sections, and they are pseudocoelomatic because they have false coelom, and they also have a triradial esophagus and lacking specialized organ for respiration and circulation. Usually they respire and circulate through the diffusion. These nematodes are pseudocoelomate, only the ectoderm is linked with mesoderm while it is not lined to endoderm or alimentary canal of nematode. Next is morphology of nematode. The nematode body is consist of a tubular structure having 2 tubes. That is, the outer tube is known as body wall and the inner tube is known as alimentary canal. And the space between these two tubes is called as body cavity. और इस body cavity को हम pseudocoelom बोलते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे mesodermal lining absent होती है. Pseudocoelom का मतलब है false coelom, false body cavity present है यहाँ पर. The body wall or the outer tube of nematode is consist of 3 layers: cuticle layer, then hypodermis and the muscle layer. First is cuticle. Cuticle is a non-cellular, non-living layer which is present in outer body wall. It is made up of structural protein, that is chitin. This chitin is not found in nematode cuticle but it is found in insect. In insect, 25 to 60% body wall is present of chitin and 25 to 40% of protein. Now the second layer is epidermis. The epidermis of nematode is unicellular layer and its major function is to secretion of cuticle. Nematodes की बॉडी पे सबसे आउटर सरफेस पे होता है क्यूटिकल. ये क्यूटिकल लेयर स्ट्रक्चरल प्रोटीन से मिलकर बनी होती है. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट लेयर आती है एपिडर्मिस. एपिडर्मिस का काम होता है क्यूटिकल को फॉर्म करना. Now third layer is muscle layer. It is the internal layer on which the muscles are attached. Next point is alimentary canal or the inner tube. Inner tube of nematode is divided into 3 parts: stomodium, mesentron and proctodium. First is stomodium. It is the anterior part of the alimentary canal. In the plant parasitic nematode, the stoma walls form hypodermic needles like structure. They are known as stylate or stomatostylates. In Thailand chits, the stomatostylate is comprises of 3 parts: conus, shaft and nobs. The third part of alimentary canal is proctodium. It comprises of rectum and anus. Now the next unit is helminthology. Helminthology is the study of nematodes which are parasitic exclusively on main and domesticated animals. हेल्मिंथोलॉजी में हम उन नेमेटोड्स की स्टडी करते हैं जो कि मेन्स और एनिमल्स पर पैरासाइटिक रिलेशनशिप में होते हैं. नेक्स्ट टेबल इज गिवन ऑफ एनिमल पैरासाइटिक नेमेटोड्स. फर्स्ट इज प्लेसेंटा gigantisima. It is the largest animal parasitic nematodes of about 8 meter long and it is found in whale fish. Next is Dracunculus meduniensis. It is known as guinea worm. It causes Narubala disease in humans. This disease is also known as dracunculiasis. Next is Wucheria bancrofti. It causes elephantiasis and filariasis disease in males. The vector of this disease is a mosquito. Next is Ascaris lumbricoides. It is known as a roundworm. It is the intestinal parasitic of humans. Next is Enterobius vermicularis. It causes severe itching in anal area, particularly while children are sleeping. And the last is Onchocerca volvulus. It causes onchocerciasis disease or the river blindness disease. It is commonly found in Africa and transmitted by black fly. Next, the third unit is history of nematology. In 1743, J.T. Needham discovered the first plant parasitic nematode, that is Angura triticea, and it was named as Vibrio triticea. Next is Berkeley. He reported a root knot nematode, that is Meloidigyne species, from the roots of greenhouse cucumber in England. Next is Kuhn. He reported the stem and bulb nematode, that is Ditylanchus dipsy. Next is Schichet. He reported the sugar beet cyst nematode, that is Heterodera schiceti. Next is H.C. Bastian. He is known as father of nematology and he wrote monograph of Angulilidae. In 1807, Kuhn first used carbon disulfide for the control of sugar beet cyst nematode. Next point is J.G. Deman give biometry and the taxonomic monograph or the morphometry. This biometry means a statistical analysis on biological data. In 1907, N.A. Cope, known as the father of American modern nematology. In 1933, Tom Godey, he published the two books Plant Parasitic Nematodes and Disease They Cause and The Soil and Freshwater Nematodes. In 1937, Chitwood and Chitwood wrote a book, An Introduction of Nematology. Next point is the Carter discovered nematicidal properties of DD. This DD is a mixture of 1,3-dichloropropene and 1,2-dichloropropane. Christie discovered nematicidal properties of ethylene dibromide. Next point is Nematologica. It is the first journal of European Society of Nematologists. In 1958, Havitt, Rusky and Goheen first reported the transmission of viruses by nematode transmitting grapevine fan leaf virus disease in USA. In 1961, G. Thorne wrote the book Principle of Nematology. This book is known as Bible of Nematology. Now the next topic is History of Nematology in India. In 1901, Barber reported the root knot nematode, that is Meloidigyne species infesting tea in Kerala, a first plant parasitic nematode in India. वर्ल्ड के अंदर फर्स्ट प्लांट पैरासाइटिक निमेटोड की डिस्कवरी हुई थी एंग्यूना टेटिसी की, और इंडिया के अंदर फर्स्ट प्लांट पैरासाइटिक निमेटोड में स्टडी हुई थी रूट नॉट निमेटोड पर. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज बटलर रिपोर्टेड द उफ्रा डिजीज ऑफ राइस विच इज कोज्ड बाय डिटिलैंचस एंग्यूस्टस फ्रॉम द बंगाल. नेक्स्ट इज मिलने रिपोर्टेड द एंग्यूना टेटिसी और द सीड गॉल ईयर कोकल ऑफ व्हीट इन पंजाब. In 1936, Dastu reported white-tip disease of rice which is caused by Aphelenchoides baeyi. In 1958, Vasudeva reported the Molia disease of wheat that is caused by Heterodera annini from the Neemka Thana, Sikar, Rajasthan. Next point is Sidgi reported the citrus nematode from UP, Aligarh. Next point is the Jones reported potato cyst disease for the first time from the Nilgiri, Tamil Nadu. Next point, the division of nematology established at IRI, New Delhi. The Nematological Society of India was founded by IRI in 1969. First time Indian Journal of Nematology published in 1971. And All India Coordinated Research Project on Nematode Pest of Crops and their control started in 1977. Now the next unit is classification of nematodes. The word taxonomy is coined by D. Candolle in 1875. The phylum Nematoda consists of two classes, Sessernensia and Adenophorae. These Sessernensia are known as phasmids. Because in this class phasmids are present. These phasmids are chemoreceptor which are present in posterior region of nematode. Lack of caudal gland. This caudal gland secretes some substances which are used to attach itself to an object. The class Sessernensia includes two orders that are Tylenchida and Aphelenchida. This Tylenchida is a highly evolved and sedentary parasitic in nature. It includes the suborder Talenchina. This Talenchina is having superfamilies of Talenchoideae, Haplemoideae and Heterodoideae. First superfamily is Talenchoideae family. It includes three families, that is Tylenchidae, Ballonolamidae and Angunidae. This Angunidae family include Anguna ttc. Now the next superfamily is Haplolamidae family. It includes two families, Pratylenchidae and Haplomidae. And the third superfamily is Heterodoideae family, which includes Heteroderidae and Meloidogynidae family, which includes the Meloidogyne species. Now the second class is Adenophorae. This Adenophorae does not contain the phasmids, but in them caudal glands are present. कॉडल ग्लैंड एक सब्सटेंस रिलीज करती हैं जो निमेटोड्स को किसी ऑब्जेक्ट से अटैच करने के लिए काम आता है। इट इंक्लूड ऑर्डर डोरिलेमिडी, सुपर फैमिली लॉन्जिडोरिडी, फैमिली लॉन्जिडोरिडी एंड जिफिनेमेटिडी, सुपर फैमिली ट्राइकोडोरिडी एंड फैमिली ट्राइकोडोरिडी. This Adenophori class is not important because it does not contain the parasitic nematodes. Next, here a difference is given between Tilenchida order and the order Dorilemida. This Dorilemida comes under the class Adenophori and Tilenchidae comes under the class Sesernentia. In Tilenchida, presence of 3 parts of esophagus, but in Dorilemida only 2 parts of esophagus are present. In Tilenchida, buccal cavity is known as stomatostylate and the buccal cavity of Dorilemida is known as odontostylate. In Tilenchida, the cuticle possesses distinct annulation or the transverse striation, but in Dorilemida, the cuticle annulation is not clearly observed. Now the fifth unit is parasitism of nematodes. In nematodes, 4 types of parasitism are found. First is ectoparasite. The ectoparasitic nematodes live and feeds on the host from the outside. They may be migratory parasite or the sedentary parasite. Sedentary parasite वो होता है जो एक ही होस्ट के ऊपर रहता है और migratory parasite होस्ट चेंज करता रहता है. This migratory parasitic include Zyphonema and Longidorus. Second is semi-endoparasitic. These semi-parasites partially penetrate the host and feeds on them. They may be migratory or sedentary. The migratory semi-endoparasite includes Haplolaemus and sedentary includes the Tilenchulus. Third is endoparasites. These endoparasites enter the host tissue and feed from within. They are migratory and sedentary. The migratory endoparasite are Rhodopholis and sedentary endoparasite are Meloidigyne. And fourth type is both the ecto and endoparasite. It includes the Anguna, Aphelenchoides and Ditilenchus. This ecto and endoparasitic group is important, which includes Anguna, Aphelenchoides and Ditilenchus. Now the next unit is important plant parasitic nematodes. First, the important list is given of important plant parasitic nematodes. After completing this list, we will discuss important symptoms and management of these nematodes. First is seed gall, ear cockle nematode of wheat, that is Anguna tritisi. Next is tundu or the sehu or the yellow ear rot of wheat. It is Anguna tritisi and Clavibacter tritisi. Third is cereal cyst nematode, that is Heterodera aveni. Root knot nematode Meloidigyne species. Citrus nematode Tilenchulus semipenetrans. Reniform pulse nematode, that is Rotilanchulus reniformis. Next is stem and bulb nematode, that is Ditilenchus dipesi. Onion blot is a major symptom of this disease. Next is stem nematode of rice, that is Ditilenchus angustus, which is responsible for Ufra disease of rice. Next is potato root nematode, that is Ditilenchus destructor. Next, mushroom nematode Ditilenchus mycelophagus. It was reported as first mushroom nematode. And the second mushroom nematode is Aphelenchoides composticola. Next is bud and leaf nematode is Aphelenchoides species and rice leaf or white tip nematode is Aphelenchoides basie. The coconut red ring nematode is Rhadenephalanchus cocophilus. The vector for this nematode is palm weevil. Next is potato cyst nematode, that is Globodera rostochinensis. Next, root lesion nematode Pratylenchus species. It is also referred as meadow nematode. Next is rice root nematode, that is Hirschkinella species. It is responsible for the mantec disease of rice. Next is burrowing nematode Rhodophilus species. Blackhead disease or the rot root or the rhizome root of banana is Rhodophilus similis. It is also responsible for yellow pepper disease in black pepper. Spreading decline disease of citrus is caused by Rhodophilus citrophilus. Next, false root knot nematode is Necobus species. Because its symptoms resemble to as root knot nematodes by the enlargement of cells, it is known as false root knot nematode. Next is stunt or stylet nematode, that is Tylenchorhynchus species. Next is ring nematode, that is Criconiema species. Pin nematode, Paratylenchus species. Needle nematode, Longidorus species. Dagger nematode, Ziphenema index. Stubby root, Trichodorus species. And the last is lance nematode, that is Haplolemmus species. Now the last and important unit is common crop nematodes. First is seed gall or the ear cockle disease of wheat. It is caused by nematode Anguna ttici. This Anguna ttici was first reported by Needham in 1743. He called it as Vibrio and name Anguna is given by Philippe Pagev in 1936. In India, first reported by Milne from Punjab in 1919. This nematode caused the epidemic in Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, where the farmers burnt the standing crop of wheat. This nematode associates with the bacterium Clavibacter ttici, which is responsible for the yellow ear rot or the Tundu disease of wheat. The seed gall have 3000 to 12,000 second stage juveniles in a quiescent stage. It first feeds on ectoparasitically and after 3 molts it becomes endoparasitic. Anguna ttici both ectoparasitically और endoparasitically जैसे एक्ट करता है, इसीलिए स्टार्टिंग में ये ectoparasitic होता है, होस्ट की आउटर सरफेस और बॉडी पे फीड करता है. उसके बाद 3 मोल्ट स्टेज के बाद ये होस्ट के अंदर एंटर कर लेता है. Some species of Anguna produces galls in leaf surfaces. For example, Anguna tumefaciens on the Cynodon transvalens. Next, the symptoms of this ear cockle disease. In this disease, seedling leaves are twisted and crinkled, and the seedling may stunted or die. Plants show profuse tailoring, and infested plant produce ears almost 30 to 40 days before healthy plants. हेल्दी प्लांट के कंपैरिजन में ये अफेक्टेड प्लांट ज़्यादा टीलर्स प्रोड्यूस करता है और ईयर्स भी 30 to 40 डेज पहले ही प्रोड्यूस कर देता है. एंड फाइनली द सीड्स आर रिप्लेस्ड बाय द गोल्स. द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर ऑफ दिस डिजीज इज द कन्वर्जन ऑफ ग्रेन्स इनटू कोकल और द गोल्स. फॉर मैनेजमेंट, सॉल्ट फ्लोटेशन टेक्निक इज यूज्ड in which 20% salt or the brine solution used for washing of seed. It is very effective for control method. Second method is hot water treatment 54 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Next is crop rotation. Crop rotation is also useful method to escape the infestation of nematode. Now the next is cereal cyst nematode, that is Heterodera aveni. It is responsible for the molia disease in wheat and barley. Heteroderas means different types of skin and the lemon shaped female. The females have zigzag pattern or the lace like pattern on the body. It is known as cyst wall pattern. The cyst nematode include the genus Heterodera and Globodera. Both have unique character of retention egg and larvae within the mature female body, which turn into brown or black hard body after its death. That is why it is known as cyst. इसका एक इम्पॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है कि जहाँ पे भी ये सिस्ट निमेटोड फीड करता है वहाँ पर सिंसीशियम बन जाता है. इसका मतलब है कि बहुत सारी सेल्स ऐसे फ्यूज्ड हो जाती हैं जिसमें साइटोप्लाज्म सिंगल होता है एंड न्यूक्लियस मल्टीपल प्रेजेंट होते हैं. दिस कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड एज सिंसीशियम. These cyst nematodes are generally host specific. For example, pigeon pea cyst nematode also infest other pulses. sugar beet cyst nematode that is Heterodera cicati, soybean cyst nematode that is Heterodera glycine, and Heterodera oryzicola. It is a serious pest of rice in Kerala, Orissa, Haryana in upland rice grown areas. Next is damaging stage. J2 or the second stage of juvenile is the infective stage, or the economic threshold level is 3x per gram of soil. For management, crop rotation is done with mustard, chickpea because it is very host specific. Deep plowing is destroyed the quiescent egg of nematodes. Resistant varieties are wheat Raj MR first, and for barley it is Raj Kiran. Now the next is potato cyst nematode that is Globodera rostochiensis. The Globodera nematode of potato first reported by F.G.W. Jones in 1961 from the Nilgiri hills of Tamil Nadu. It feeds pericycle cortex which result formation of nurse cells that is syncytium, which provides nutrients to female throughout the development. For management, legislative method is used where domestic quarantine was introduced against Globodera not carry infested potato tubers without phytosanitary certificate issued from the Nilgiri to other parts of country. Resistant varieties are Kufri Swarna, which is the most resistant towards the Globodera species, and next is fumigant methyl bromide. Exposure is done for 5 to 6 hours. Next is root knot nematode, that is Meloidigine species. Meloidigine means melon or the apple shaped female. It was first reported by Berkeley in 1855 from the cucumber. In India, it is reported by Barber in 1901 on tea in Kerala. In Meloidigine, the perennial pattern is present on vulva anus area, which is helpful in species identification. They lay their eggs in gelatinous matrix and they lay 200 to 500 eggs. Sex differentiation occur in late second juvenile stage where the genital primordial is become V-shaped in female and I-shaped in male. Second juvenile is the only ineffective stage in Meloidigine. Spike tail in Meloidigine, it is succeeding molting of second, third and fourth stage juveniles of Meloidigine species. Sexual reversal in Meloidigine sometime after, under the adverse condition, male change into female. Most of the species of Meloidigine completed life cycle within 25 days at about 25 to 30 degrees Celsius and 7 to 8 overlapping generation completed in a year. The classification for this Meloidigine species are: first is Meloidigine incognita. It is present throughout the India on vegetables. Next is Meloidigine exigua. It is found on coffee in Karnataka. Next, Meloidigine hapla. It is restricted to temperate parts or the hilly areas. Next, Erinaria species. It is a serious pest of groundnut in Gujarat. Next is Brevicuda species. It is found on tea in Assam. And the last is Graminicola species. They are found in rice in eastern part of the country. Next, the symptoms of this Meloidigine species. The reaction to the entrance of the larvae is the development of hypertrophy. सेल का साइज इंक्रीज हो जाता है, यहाँ पर न्यूक्लियर डिवीजन होता है, एंड दे फॉर्म 6 to 10 giant cells from which it derives the food. These nematodes secrete the protease enzyme result into breakdown of protein into amino acid, which is a precursor of indole acetic acid. It is important and responsible for creating the hormonal imbalance at the site of reaction. Due to the excess IAA formation at feeding site causes the gall knot on roots. ये जो Meloidigine species nematode है, ये एक प्रोटीज एंजाइम सिक्रेट करता है जिसकी वजह से प्रोटीन अमीनो एसिड के अंदर कन्वर्ट होता है, और ये जो कन्वर्ट होता है ये इंडोल एसिटिक एसिड का एज अ प्रीकर्सर वर्क करता है, और जब भी होस्ट के अंदर इंडोल एसिटिक एसिड इंक्रीज हो जाता है तो उस टाइम पे रूट नोड्स बन जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट, अ डिफरेंस इज गिवन बिटवीन रूट नोट एंड राइजोबियम नोड्यूल्स। हम सभी को पता है कि पल्सेस के अंदर एक राइजोबियम नोड्यूल्स मिलते हैं। तो ये जो राइजोबियम नोड्यूल्स हैं और रूट नोट में क्या डिफरेंस होता है समझते हैं। फर्स्ट पॉइंट है, इन रूट नोट इन केस ऑफ मेलोइडिगाइन इन्फेस्टेशन रूट नोट्स आर हार्ड इन कंसिस्टेंसी and deep seated. The rhizobium nodules are spongy consistency and found along the side of roots as a side appendages. Root nodes का structure hard होता है, deep seated present होते हैं, लेकिन rhizobium nodules spongy structure होता है इसका और ये roots के side में present होते हैं. This root node they don't easily rubbed off, but the rhizobium nodules are soft and can be easily detached from the roots. Rhizobium nodules soft होते हैं, इसके हम easily root से हटा सकते हैं, लेकिन root nodes tough structure होता है जिसे remove नहीं किया जा सकता है. Now for the management, deep plowing is done in May or June. It is very effective to kill the quiescent juvenile stage. Next, interculture of marigold is done as a trap crop. Now the resistant varieties of this meloidigine are, for tomato it is Hisar Lalit, for brinjal it is Black Beauty or the Neelkantha, and for chili it is Pusa Jwala. Next is biological control of meloidigine. Biologically control करने के लिए हम फंगस यूज कर सकते हैं, that is Bacillomyces liluinus. बैक्टीरिया भी हो सकता है, पेस्टूरिया पेनिट्रेंस. बोथ द फंगस एंड बैक्टीरिया एक्ट एज अ promising biocontrol agent. Now the next nematode is citrus nematode, that is Talentulus semipenetrans. It was reported by Cobb in 1912 in USA. In India it is discovered by Siddiqui in 1961 in Aligarh, UP. The infective stage of citrus nematode is juvenile stage, that is second stage. The feeding site 6 to 10 nerve cells are formed. It is cortical feeder as sedentary semi-endoparasitic. Due to this nematode, citrus decline, dieback and slow decline occurs. Next is reniform nematode, Rhotilanthulus reniformis. Here the mature female is kidney shaped. It is reported by Linford and Oliveira from USA in 1940. In India, it was reported by Shiv Kumar and Seshadhari in 1963 on cotton. The pre-adult or the immature female is infective stage. Now the next is stunt or the stylate nematode, that is Talenturhensis species. It is a migratory semi-endoparasite. The Brassica species feeds on Crucifery family. Brevillinitis cause Kalahasti disease in groundnut in Andhra Pradesh. Next is Vulgaris species that feed on cereals, and the last is Claytoni. They are known as tobacco stunt nematode. Next is stem and bulb nematode, Dyslanthus species. Nemavul is a frothy substances secreted through the saliva of pre-adult fourth juvenile stage nematode responsible for quiescent in Ditilanthus. First species is Ditilanthus angustus. It is a rice stem nematode. In India, only Ditilanthus angustus is reported. It is reported by Butler in 1930. It causes Ufra diseases. Infestation occurs in mainly deep water paddy. Ufra disease के symptoms 2 month old crop में देखते हैं. Symptom for this nematode is twisting of leaf and leaf sheet. Second is stem and bulb nematode, Dyslanthus dipsy. By infestation of this nematode, onion suffers heavy losses. It causes onion blot disease. Third is potato rot nematode, Ditilanthus destructor. It is found in temperate region of Europe and North America. It causes rots on potato roots. Fourth is mushroom nematode, that is Ditilanthus myliophagus. This nematode was first reported that to cause damage on mushroom. It is also found in India. Next is leaf and bud nematode, that is Aphelenchoides species. They are also known as foliar nematode. क्योंकि ये प्लांट के फॉलियर पार्ट्स को अफेक्ट करते हैं, इसीलिए हम इसे फॉलियर निमेटोड बोलते हैं। फर्स्ट इज वाइट टिप और द राइस लीफ निमेटोड, दैट इज Phalanchoides baeyi. This nematode is associated with the serious epidemic of rice in Madhya Pradesh. It feeds ectoparasitically. ये होस्ट की बॉडी पर फीड करता है. Humidity favors its infestation and it is a seed-borne nematode. Second is Chrysanthemum foliar nematode, that is Phalanchoides rhizombosi. It is known as spring crimp or the strawberry nematode. The important nematode of mushroom are Mycophagus nematode. Next is red ring nematode, Radina phalanges cocophilus. It causes serious disease of coconut palm, which is called as red ring disease. This nematode is transmitted mechanically through the palm weevil. Next is root lesion nematode, that is Pratylenchus species. They are also referred as meadow nematode. Next is rice root nematode. This nematode is responsible for causing mantic disease of rice. It was reported in 1949. The infective stage of this rice root nematode is juvenile and the adult stage. It can be managed by soil treatment of carbofuran. Next is borrowing nematode, Rhodophollus species. First is root and rhizome rot of banana, that is Rhodophollus similis. It is commonly found in India. Other name is banana decline and blackhead disease of banana. This nematode also helpful in causing Panama wilt of banana, which is associated with the fungus Fusarium oxysporum. It is caused yellow disease of black pepper. Next is Rhodophollus citrophilus. It is responsible for causing spreading decline of citrus in Florida, USA. Lastly यहाँ पे कुछ nematodes दिए हैं, false root nematode, ring nematode, pin nematode and dagger nematode. This dagger nematode transmit the fan leaf virus of grape. Now the next topic is nematode and virus. The incidence of cotton wilt, that is Fusarium oxysporum, was more severe in presence of root knot nematode. In strawberry, by the infection of Phalanchoides frageri nematode and Clavibacter fuscescens causes cauliflower disease. जिसे कि टुंडू डिजीज होती है, जो क्लेविबैक्टर फंगस के साथ एंग्यूना टीटीसी की वजह से होती है. तो ये कुछ ऐसे डिजीज हैं जो कि निमेटोड एंड फंगस की वजह से होती हैं. नाउ द लास्ट यूनिट इज मैनेजमेंट ऑफ निमेटोड्स. निमेटोड्स को हम कैसे मैनेज कर सकते हैं? फर्स्ट है केमिकल कंट्रोल. केमिकल कंट्रोल करने के लिए हम फ्यूमिगेंट्स एंड नॉन फ्यूमिगेंट्स को यूज करते हैं. फ्यूमिगेंट्स का एग्जांपल है डीडी, दैट इज 1,3-डाइक्लोरोप्रोपेन एंड 1,2-डाइक्लोरोप्रोपेन. Another fumigants are ethylene dibromide, methylene bromide, and the non-fumigants are carbamide groups include LD-carb, carbofuran, oxymyl, methane sodium, and the organophosphate are thionazine, phorate, phenamifos. नेक्स्ट इज फिजिकल कंट्रोल. फिजिकल कंट्रोल करने के लिए हम हॉट वाटर ट्रीटमेंट दे सकते हैं या फिर अल्ट्रासोनिक ट्रीटमेंट, हीट ट्रीटमेंट और ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर ट्रीटमेंट दे सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज रेगुलेटरी मेथड. फॉर रेगुलेटरी मेथड क्वारंटाइन रेगुलेशन आर डन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पोटैटो ट्यूबर्स यूज्ड एज सीड मटेरियल, रेस्ट्रिक्टेड यूज फ्रॉम नीलगिरी हिल्स टू द पार्ट ऑफ अदर कंट्री. नेक्स्ट इज बायोलॉजिकल कंट्रोल. बायोलॉजिकल कंट्रोल करने के लिए हम कुछ फंगस, बैक्टीरिया को यूज करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज कल्चरल मेथड. कल्चरल मेथड्स लाइक क्रॉप रोटेशन, ट्रैप क्रॉप्स, मस्टर्ड, फ्लडिंग मेथड, प्रोपगेशन मेथड एंड सॉइल सोलराइजेशन इज डन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज एंटोमोपैथोजेनिक निमेटोड. द निमेटोड फैमिलीज ऑफ Sternematidae, Heterorhabditidae have potential as biocontrol agent because these are entomopathogenic nematode and are facultative parasites. They associate with the symbiotic bacteria. The entomopathogenic products are In India, a commercially formulation Ecomax is available. It is prepared from nematode and Bacteriophora, the product of Neoplectana carpocapsae with the bacteria is commonly named as DD136. It is also available in several labs under the trade name of Black Commando. Now the next topic is virus vector nematodes. It is nematode transmitted polyhedral particles of viruses. It includes tomato black ring, raspberry ring spot, grapevine, fern leaf, tobacco or the tomato ring spot. Next is nematode transmitted tubular particles, that is tobacco rattle virus, P. early browning virus and पेपर रिंग स्पॉट वायरस। यहाँ पे कुछ टर्म्स दी हैं निमेटोलॉजी से रिलेटेड। फर्स्ट इज मिजेंटोन ऑफ निमेटोड्स। निमेटोड्स के एलिमेंट्री कैनाल में 3 पार्ट्स होते हैं, स्टोमोडियम, मिजेंटोन एंड प्रोक्टोडियम। मिडल पार्ट को हम मिजेंट्रोम बोलते हैं। मिजेंट्रोम के अंदर फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शन मिलते हैं जिसे हम माइक्रोविलाई बोलते हैं, और इस माइक्रोविलाई का काम होता है सरफेस एरिया को इंक्रीज कर देना ताकि ये सिक्रीशन और एब्जॉर्प्शन कर सके। नेक्स्ट टर्म इज क्लोएका। दिस क्लोएका प्रोवाइड्स स्ट्रक्चर लाइक स्पाइक्यूल्स, गुबरनैक्यूलम्स। In male, this copulatory structure are used for open the vulva to transfer the sperm. Next is terms related to female ovaries. First is monodelphic. When only one ovary is functional, it is called as monodelphic. Second is didelphic. It means 2 ovaries are functional in female. Third term is monoprodelphic. It means the female gonoduct is 1 in number and projected anteriorly. And the fourth term is amphidelphic. It means one gonoduct is projected anteriorly and other is posteriorly. Terms related to male testis are monorchic, when only one testis is present. Next is diorchic. It means 2 testes are present. Most of the nematodes generally possess a single genital tract. It is known as monorchic. And the last is voltinism. It refers to the number of generation in a year. It may be multivoltine and univoltine. Multivoltine nematode means many generations are completed in a year. For example, in Meloidigyne, in Pratylenchus, in Rotilenchus and Tylenchulus. And in univoltine, only one generation is completed in a year. For example, in Anguna TTC, in Heterodera. So here we have completed the nematology section. So in the next lecture, we will start plant breeding and genetics. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.